Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to change your username in TikTok. In order to change your username in TikTok, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So here, what you actually want to do is, first thing first, make sure to update the app to the latest version. If not, you need to also make sure to check your internet connections. Now, to begin with, you just need to click on the profile section from the bottom of the page. And when you go to the profile section, you want to tap on the edit profile section. So right next to your username, there is the edit button. And here you have a username, right? Click that out and erase what you actually want to do it. And if you are able to find, or if this actually is available, you could go ahead and tap on it and click on the save button. Once again, you could go and click on the set button, and this way you'll have successfully changed your username on TikTok. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.